customer, this is Anna from Landpack. We specialize in packing machine over 16 years. Our company supported for OEM and ODM orders. Today we will teach you how to adjust for the smaller packing machine, the ribbon date printer. Now our end customer faced two questions. One, it is for the ribbon date, it is started, can't be running. And the second question they faced it is the ribbon date is too far away to the raw film. They can't print it on the raw film back. So how to adjust that problem? It's very easy. So you only need to adjust for these two scrolls. It can adjust for the ribbon date printer too far away and to go further with the raw film. Actually, our engineer highly recommended for the suitable, adjustable for the length, the range, it is from 30 millimeter. It's like that, 30 millimeter. This top from this raw film. My dear customer, if you have any further questions about the after-sales problems, you can contact us at below website or can contact our sales and after-sales team. Thank you so much.